This website pays really fast sometimes, even instantly. You don't even have to sell anything, and it has nothing to do with affiliate marketing either. It's a brand new website that I want to share with my subscribers. This is a free platform where you have different ways to make money and get paid quickly with no previous experience needed at all. If you follow all your steps and you watch until the end of this video, you will learn how to maximize your results. I just want to let you know that this is not a place to make big money online. It's just a platform where you can earn some extra cash when you need it. So don't expect too much from it, but it's still good as a side hustle and it pays pretty fast. And this is USA Videos, and welcome to my channel where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash a like button, and if you have any questions, concerns or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. As you can see, this is online work from home opportunities on this platform. You can find many different ways to make money online here. So whatever you prefer, you can choose any job from this website and earn some decent amount of money. Even if it's just your first day online, you can still do this because it requires no previous experience. So even if you never made a dime online, you can still use this website to make some money. As you can see, free registration, so no investment is needed. You can literally start with $0 and always do this without investing any money at all. You can do this from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you're coming from, and you can still sign up for free and make money with this website. Another great thing about this website is that they accept different payment options. You can get paid with PayPal, payment, bank transfer, or whatever payment options you prefer. I personally always prefer to use PayPal, so I can get paid almost instantly and then I can spend that money on whatever I want to. But you can definitely choose whatever payment option suits you. Now before I give you the platform name, I just want to show you what jobs you can complete in order to start making money. I want to show you how you can maximize your results. So first of all, let's go through all the jobs which you can complete in order to make money with this website, because as I said, there's multiple ways you can make money with it. You can complete different typing jobs. You can earn $4 to $6 per page. You can do proofreading job and earn $5 to $10 per page. Don't worry, you don't need any previous skills for this because I'm going to show you something in this video that you can also complete different survey jobs and they will pay you more money. It will pay you like $5 up to $50 per survey, which may seem like a lot. I don't personally prefer to do this job because they can sometimes be really long and boring. So it's just not worth it to spend so much time on them. But if you do want to earn some extra cash, you can also input your opinion about various products and services that you use, and you can earn money online by simply completing those simple surveys. You also have different graphic design jobs. So if you have some graphic design skills, you can also complete them and earn $15 up to $40 per job, which is also really pretty decent. So you can even outsource this part. If they pay you like $40 for a graphic design, you can hire someone on Fiverr or another freelancing website for like $5, and that way you will earn $35 pure profit without completing any of the work yourself. You don't need any previous experience or skills for it. Just hire someone who can do this work and you can still make money. You can also complete different PowerPoint presentations and earn money. You can actually earn $3 per presentation slide. You can actually earn $3 per presentation slide, which is a lot because you can make 10 slides in less than 10 minutes, and that's already $30. I highly recommend you to focus on this one. You can also complete spreadsheet entry jobs and get paid 20 to 40 cents per cell. It's also not bad, but it does require some time and effort, so I don't personally use this one. You can also complete voice recognition jobs and earn $15 up to $40 per assignment. You can convert their medical prescription slips into text tools and audio format. So all of these jobs you can actually outsource from other freelancing websites. So if these guys pay you like $40 for a project, you can definitely try to find someone on other freelancing website and pay them $5 to $10 to do the work for you, and then you can keep the rest as a profit without completing any of the work yourself. You can also post different ads for them, so that's really simple and easy, and it pays you 50 cents per ad. It can literally take you less than 60 seconds to post an ad from them. You can learn more about it by clicking on this link right here that will explain to you exactly how to do it. 10 ad posts, that's already $5, 100 ads, that's already $50, and so on and so forth. You also have language translation jobs. So for this, you can find different software online which will translate those projects for you. You can get paid up to $30 per page. Sometimes they send you a couple of pages sometimes. That's going to be 5-page document, and that's going to end up being $150. You can either outsource the work from another freelancing website or just find some software online that will do the translation job for you. Translation of various document formats from one language to another. You can learn more about that by clicking on this link right here. So all you have to do is pick a job which you like, click on the link that's below. So in this case, that's going to be the link right here where it says a translation of various document formats from one language to another. Now you will be able to learn more about the project. In this case, it's going to say great clients reward work and the flexibility of working virtually. You can become a virtual language translator and get paid either full-time or part-time. You can also see that this may include Spanish, Free, Arab, Hindi, German, or any other language too, or from English. So if you're able to translate a page from those language to English or vice versa, you will be able to get paid $10 to $30 per page. Of course, you need to at least be 16 years old or above. In order to complete these jobs, in order to get paid hundreds of dollars, a fast and reliable internet connection, and it's really a friendly job that's going to allow you to make some decent side income. The reason I'm showing you this website in particular, it's because you're getting paid $10 up to $30 per page, which is exceeding the US average hourly wage for virtual language translators. So this website is paying more than the US average hourly wage, which is really insane. Flexible hours you're getting from Free, the 9 to 5 job, and you can work whenever you want, wherever you want, in any time zone. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. You can be anywhere in the world and still be able to make money with this platform for absolutely free. Now the way you can start with this is by scrolling all the way down to the bottom of this page and just apply by clicking on the apply to be a virtual language translator or whatever job you have selected. There's going to be a button right here where you can apply. To just click on that, you can complete the application by entering more information about yourself. This platform is called HireSign, and this is already hiresign.com. You can read more about it on their homepage. Click start working from home. That's going to take you over to this page where they will tell you more about their benefits, better flexibility, more time, freedom. Of course, you have the freedom to work wherever and whenever you want to. If you want to find out more about it, you can just click on no more right here. That's going to take you to the next page where you can learn more about their jobs and you can read more about how exactly you will be working with them, how you can get paid, and exactly how much you can get paid. So there's a lot of information on this page, but if you want to start completing those jobs, just click on the current openings right here. That's going to take you over to this page where you can browse all of the different projects in different jobs which you can complete and start making money today. I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like by hitting the thumbs up button right below, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel with the notification bell, and so you don't miss out on any of the new contents as always. And that is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have learned something today. This is USF Videos, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.